morning, students. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am here with a new video again on fractional number, but the topic is statement sums we are going to solve out today. So statement sums are just simple questions, but they written in form of statement. So let's start our topic without wasting time. These are the questions which we are going to solve today. So read the statement for very first question. How many 1/5 are there in 100? Read one word and try to understand how many. कितने हैं? 1/5. That means 1/5 are there in 100. 100 में 1/5 how many? कितने हैं? Okay. So at this time what will you do? You just divide 100 by 1/5 because you are finding the amount of 1/5 in 100. Then how will you find? You just divide the 100 by 1 upon 5. So what will you do here? You apply just division rule that you know very well. 100, then change this division sign with multiplication and do the reciprocal of this 1 upon 5 become 5 upon 1. So that gives you multiply denominator numerator with numerator and denominator with the denominator. So that gives you 500 upon 1. So that is our final answer. Hope you got my point. Read the statement for second question. The product of 7 upon 9 and a number is 63. So here they given product. Product means multiplication. Result of multiplication will be the product. Okay. Of 7 upon 9 and a number. 7 upon 9 और किसी number. They don't given us that number. हमें वो number नहीं दिया है. Which we have to find out the multiply with 7 upon 9 is equal to 63. So they give the result, that is product. They given us the result of multiplication, that is 63. So we have to find the number. Let us solve this question. So they given you the statement 7 upon 9 and any number multiplication. Number they didn't give you is 63. So how will you find out? You just have to find out this number. Okay. So in this case what we can do? We can just send this value to right hand side. Okay. And how we will send it? When there is a rule to send the values into right hand side. The simple rule says that when a value is in left hand side is in addition, that goes into right hand side become subtraction. The value in left hand side is in subtraction, that goes in right hand side become in addition. The value there is in multiplication, that goes side come into division, and those value which are here in division, when they go to right hand side they will become in a multiplication. So you have to learn this rule. According to this rule we will send this value. Okay. Now so 7 upon 9 is in multiplication with that particular number, so that side it goes into division. So what it become? It becomes 63 divide by 7 upon 9. Now you will apply your rule. Rule says that write 63 as it is and change this division sign with multiplication and do the reciprocal of 7 upon 9, that become 9 upon 7. Now if you are able to cut any value you can cut. So 7 1 just 7 and 7 9 just 63. Now you have two terms, 9 multiplied by 9, that gives you 81. So 81 is the final answer. Okay. Hope you understand this question. It's very easy. Now read the statement for question number 3. 6/7. What is the meaning of 6/7? 6 upon 7. Of a number of and there is any number is equal to 36. Then you have to find this number. You have to find out. So I am writing this on the next page. We have to find out 6/7 of any number. Okay. Number we don't know is equal to 36. So what is the number? We have to find out this number. So here of you know very well, we can write like 6 7 multiply that particular number and then equal to 36. So this is our new statement, and according like previous example, we can send this value into right hand side, and you know the rule how you can send. You just change this multiplication symbol with the division symbol, then what it become 36, and multiply become division. Okay, then 7 up sorry, not 7, then 6 upon 7. Now you can solve this according to the rule 36. Change this division sign with multiplication, and it becomes 7 upon 6. 6 1 ja 6, 6 6 ja 36. Final two, you have two values 6 and 7. So 6 multiplied by 7 become 42. 6 7 ja 42. That is your final answer. So that number is 42. If you want to check your answer is right or wrong, you can put the value into this equation also. Okay, that is another method. How we can check? We just write the 6 upon 7 as it is and off as multiplication, and the number that we got is 42. So what that gives us? Is that giving us 36? Then our answer is right. So 7 1 ja 7, 7 6 ja 42. 6 multiplied by 6 gives us a 36. So that number is a 42 is the right answer. Okay. Now read the statement for the question number 4, that says that 3 upon 5th of a class. 3 upon 5th of a class of 45. That means class of 45. Total students. Total students are 45. And the part of this 45, 3 upon 5th part are girls. वो girls हैं. Then how we will find out? Total students. You can write in the statement question, you have to write the statements. Total students equal to 45, and 3 upon 5th of this amount is girls. So number of girls equal to 45 multiplied by 3 upon 5. What it becomes? 5 9 ja 45. That gives you 9 multiplied by 3, 27. The number of girls are 27. Okay, I'm solving on the next page. You have to learn the amount. Total students are 45 and girls are 27. So how many numbers of boys are there in a class? Okay, again I'm writing total students are 45 and number of girls are equal to 45 multiplied by 3 upon 5. So again I'm cutting so that you can learn. 5 9 are 45 and 9 3 are 27. So number of girls are 27. You know this amount of total student in a class is 45. So it is a mixture of girls and boys. Both are 45. Then we have number of girls are 27. And we have to find out the boys. Then how we can find out? We just subtract this 27 from 45. Then we got the number of boys. So number of boys equals, it becomes 18. When you are subtracting 45 minus 27, then go to 18 as the answer. So number of boys are 18s. Hope you understand. Next question number 5. Read the statements. Raj drank some Pepsi from a 500 ml bottle. He found that 3 upon 5th was remaining. So there is a bottle of Pepsi. That volume is 500 ml. कितना है उसमें? 500 ml. Okay. And Raj found that 3 upon 5th was remaining. After drinking the Pepsi, when Raj is checking the bottle volume, it was 2 upon 5th. They given you the amount in fraction. They don't told you the exact amount. So we have to find out the exact amount was left. कितना रहता था पीने के बाद. Okay. So how much did he drank? कितना पिया उसने? Okay. So how we will find out? Just write the statement. Amount of Pepsi in bottle equals 500 ml. Okay. And the amount of Pepsi left in bottle equal 2 upon 5th. 2 upon 5th. Then what will you do? You just find out the remaining amount. How will you find out remaining amount? Remaining amount equals, total is 500 and we are just finding out the totals part of 2 upon 5th. Okay, so 5 ones are 5, 5 ones are 5 and 0 0 as it is. Okay, so 100 multiplied by 2, that gives you 200 ml. Okay, so remaining portion was 200 ml. Now we can find out easily how much Raj has drank. So Raj drank Pepsi, amount equals, how much, total is 500 and remaining is 200, so that gives us a 300 ml. Okay, 300 ml. Okay, 300 ml is the answer, and if you find out that answer in the fraction form, then you can do the amount that was drank by Raj and divide by total amount, that give you the fractional part of this number. Okay, so that is 3 upon 5th. Both you can write as answer, this one and this one. Okay, hope you understand. Next question number 6. Ryan and two of his friends ate 1/4 each of an 8 slice pizza. Now we have to understand each and every term one by one. How many number of slices are there of a pizza? 8 slice. Total slice are a total. I am writing as slice. 8. Pizza total slice are 8. And total number of friends. Total number of friends. How many? One is Ryan and two others. So 2 and 1. 2 and 1. 3 totals are there. 3 persons are there. And total pizza slice are 8. Okay. So now of his friend ate 1/4 each. Ate 1/4 each. 1/4 each. So they are total 3. And everyone ate 1/4. So how much it become? It become 3 upon 4. Total they ate, the amount of pizza is 3 upon 4th. But this is in fraction. And we have to find out the number of slice, how much left and how much they ate. So how we will find out? Move to the next page. Total slice are 8. Total number of friends are 3. Friends, slice, and total amount they ate, that is 3 upon 4th. So how we can find? First we will find out the 3 upon 4th amount of this total pizza slice. So what it become? It become 3 upon 4 multiplied by 8. 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 3 twos are 6. So they ate the 6 slices of the pizza. How much they ate? 6 slices. Okay. Now how much amount is left? So how we can find out? Total are 8. Total are 8 and they ate 6. So 8 minus 6, 2. 2 are the remaining slice of the pizza. That is the answer. Okay. Very simple question. Understand? Now read the question number 7. That is related with the distance. So distance is the like इसको हिंदी में बोलते हैं दूरी. Okay, so distance between two bus stop is 75 kilometer. They given you the total distance. Total distance equal 75 kilometer. Okay, and a bus cover, one bus has covered. This is the distance between two bus. One bus this side and one bus this side. So total distance is 75 kilometer. 75. So one bus has covered. This bus has covered 25 kilometer of distance. Okay, in 1 hour. So what fraction of the distance has been covered? Now they are asking this covered distance, 25 kilometer into fraction. Okay, 25 kilometer into fractional form. So how we will find out? Just move to the next page. So total distance equals 75 kilometer. One bus has covered 25 kilometer. Then we have to find out this into fractional form. Covered distance into fraction form. What it become? It become covered distance divided by total distance. So 25 ones are 25, 25 threes are 75. That is 1 upon 3. In the fraction form, the first bus covered 1 upon 3 amount of the distance. Okay. Now, we have to find out the left distance. Okay. That they has to be covered. What distance they have to be covered, what fraction of the distance. Okay, so we have to find out the remaining distance into fraction. Before finding into fraction, we have to find the total. So remaining fraction, not just wait, remaining distance. So remaining distance is, total is 75, covered by one bus is 25. What amount is left? 50. So 50 is left. Now we have to change this 50 into fractional form. The same way you are going to apply this type. So total is 50, cover left, that is 50, and total is 75. So you are cutting with 25, 25 2 is 50, 25 3 is 75. So amount that become is 2 upon 3. That is the answer. Okay. So you have to given two answer. One is 1 upon 3 fractional part is covered, and that has to be covered is 2 upon 3. Okay, clear? In question number 8, read the statement. Out of a class of 150 students, so total students are 150. Okay, now 1/3 opted for Sanskrit, SKT I am writing here, and what amount they written here? 1/3. What portion they written here? 1/3. 2/5 opted for Hindi, that is 2/5. They didn't give us the complete number, they given us in the fractional form. Okay, so rest opted for French. Now we have to find the French number of students. Okay, those students, how many students opted for French, we have to find out this. Okay, so now I'm moving to the next page. You have to learn total students 150 and SKT 1 upon 3rd and Hindi 2 upon 5th, and we have to find out the number of students for French. Now total students 150, SKT students how much for SKT was, that is 1/3, and Hindi, that is 2/5. So what we will do, we will find out this amount that become total is 150 na. So what we will do, multiply by 1 upon 3, that 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 50. That gives us the total students was 50. Now we will find out this amount for Hindi. 150 multiply by 2 upon 5. So 5 1s are 5, 5 3s are 15, 30 multiply by 2, 60. So total number of students for SKT 50 and for Hindi 60. Now we have to find out for French. So how we will find out? We just decrease this amount from the total. Okay. So for French, (150) minus 50 minus 60. Then what it becomes? 50 and 60 is 110. And 150 minus 110, that gives you 40. 40 as the answer. Okay. So total number students opted for French is 40. Clear? Read the statement for question number 9. 40 divided by half. What is the meaning of half? Half means 1 upon 2. And 40 is divided by half. Okay, what they written in this statement? 40 divided by half. Then subtracted from 40. Then subtracted from 40. Again you have to subtract 40. Okay, so what is the answer? Solve this portion and you got the answer. So here we are applying the division rule, and then we will subtract this value. What it become? 40 divided by 1 upon 2 minus 40. We are solving this one. 40. We will change this division with multiplication, and one reciprocal of 1 upon 2 become 2 upon 1 and minus 40. So what you got here? Here 40 multiplied by 2 become 80. and minus 40, that gives you again 40 as the answer. Okay, very simple question. Read the last question of this slide. A herd of cows. Herd of cows means group of cows. They don't know the number of cows, but they given you a group of cows gives 4 liters of milk each day. Daily, how much amount they are giving? 4 liters. Okay, but they don't know the number of cows. But each cow gives, they told you the amount of milk given by each cow, that is 1/3. How much amount a cow given you? 1/3. Okay, so total milk each day. Now they give 24 liters milk in 6 days. So when a cow is giving 4 liter per day and in 6 days, definitely they are giving 24 liters. There is no need of this line. This line is extra here. How many cows are there in the herd? We have to find out just total number of cows in a herd. Okay, I'm writing all the data in the next slide. So milk per day, how much milk they are giving you per day? 4 liter. 4 liter. And one cow gives milk equals 1/3 amount of the total. So what is the total amount? That is 4. So what that become? 4/3. A cow daily gives 4/3 liter. Just write liter also. Okay, now next what we have to find out? We have to find out the number of cows. How we can find out? We don't know. So number of cows we don't know, we can let them x. Okay, those terms we don't know, we let them x, or simply you can write number of cows. Okay, so what is the equation become? Equation becomes one cow giving you 4/3 amount of milk and all the cows x. I'm writing x like this. So they gives total 4 liter. Okay, this is the equation. One cow gives 4/3 amount of milk and number of cows all gives together 4 liter. Okay, so according to this equation, you just send this 4/3 in the right hand side. Here it is in multiplication, that side it goes into division. So 4 divided by 4/3 and it is equal to x. When you will solve this equation, that gives you the number of cows x. Okay, so just wait. Go to next page with the same number, that is 4 divided by 4/3. That gives us number of cows x. So here when you are solving this equation, 4 division sign become multiplication and 4/3 become 3/4. Okay, here you can cut 4 with 4 and that gives you number of cows 3. So number of cows are 3. That is the final answer. So you watch now, we didn't use that line for 24. We didn't use this last line in our slide. This is just extra line. Okay, that's all for today. Hope you all are understand very well. So today we solved all these questions from 1 to 10. Hope you understand better. I given my best to all of you. And we will complete the revision of complete maths from chapter 5 till chapter 14 within 10 to 15 days. I try my best. You also watch the videos daily so that you can give your best in your exam. So now in the end, thank you for watching and please subscribe my channel if you like my efforts and keep learning. Okay, that's all for today. Bye, take care.